up, wake up. You've got the power. You've got my people.
This is Miss Carolyn Beals right here, Creative Life Incorporated. This is how I got my start doing what I'm doing. And so I just wanted her to say a couple of words on camera. This is Miss Carolyn Beals, y'all.
If we don't do it, who's going to do it? We're responsible for healing the hood. And I thank you, Mr. Beeman, for all you're doing to help our young people. We got to do this. This is our responsibility. And I brought a donation for you. God bless.
Wow. See, this is how we give back. Ladies and gentlemen, also April 23rd, we're doing the 24th is going down with the silent protest. We're getting ready to go ahead and bury the crime and violence in the inner city. So 9 o'clock, Carver High School.
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. Look at me. 11 o'clock. The parade is going to start at Carver High School. It's going to go over to Creative Life, and it's going to be a big situation. Horse-drawn carriage, burying violence for the city of Memphis, y'all.
That's right. Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless. Love you so.
Teach the children, teach them the